Welcome back to another adventure in cleaning up the 1969 Dodge C500. Making some progress on the engine block. We've also got the cowling started to open up the access points in the cab. We'll warn you that those are very prone to rusting bolts, and they're just tack welded barely on the sheet metal, very easy to break off. Kind of a bear cat to get to. In fact, we'll see if the light's decent in here. This is a three-piece center section. The first piece is off, second piece is just behind it, and the third piece is in the flat plate that the shift lever goes through. That one's pretty rusted, a lot of damage to the bolts, and I think we're gonna have to cut them off to get them out. So makes it pretty easy to get back to the back part of the engine though with that third point. The 65, the other 65 I have, and the 66 C600 do not have that. They're two-piece with that one large center section and the bottom plate. So, well, we'll bring you back when there's more to show.